Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable mono audio in your Android phone. So at first you need to open your phone settings. Here now Bluetooth and make sure that you are now connected to your headphones. If you are, we can go back and scroll down till we see accessibility. Enter accessibility and here either scroll down to the hearing section or open hearing. Here in the hearing section we've got audio balance and mono audio. Tap mono audio to enable mono audio or disable mono audio. It combines channels when playing audio. On Samsung phones it's called audio and hearing section or something like that, or just hearing. That's how it works. Bye!